We got dust all over my nose this morning. Don't worry, it ain't white dust, it's just corn dust. Back at the combine this morning. So we've got our parts, we got our belt, we got one deer bearing, which was the big one. They did not have my smaller bearing, which is this bearing right here. Now if you see, this bearing sealed on one side, open on the other. This bearing is sealed on both sides. Well, we need an unsealed bearing because that deal has, we need an unsealed bearing because that deal's got a grease fitting in it. So we're just gonna tear the seal, tear the seal out of one side of it. And boom. Now we got us an unsealed bearing. That way we can stick her in. It get grease on both sides like it's supposed to. Cause let's see, this SKF bearing is made in Italy, and the John Deere bearing is made in Taiwan. But Taiwan is better than China, if you didn't know. Get over here and take a gander at what we got to do. So what it was, if you see way back here where my finger's at, there's a double bearing in this that holds this pump on. So we're gonna have to loosen up this right here, loosen up this deal to get this belt loose. We're gonna have to change that belt too, and that thing goes way back in there. If I remember right, that's a pain in the butt to get off. I say before we get going, we'll get the leaf blower and blow all this mess off of here. Changing the belt might be a two-man job. And we a one-man show this morning. That internet wire is low. So you're gonna pull it down. It bounced good. You didn't pull it down though. Wire's right there. It's a low wire. By the way, welcome back. We got the tractor running. We got the combine running. Yeah, I saw you hit it that time. Got the, I don't even know what bearing we were out to replace that. We got it replaced. It's about 5 o'clock. Right, 5 o'clock. Sound good? 5 o'clock? Yeah, I gotta watch. He ain't got to watch on, so we don't know. But I think it's 5. We finished that field over there. I think everything is running smooth now. I think he's about to hit the lowest spot up right here. It's that bottom wire right there that we have called them several times to move up, and they have not moved it up yet. They're lucky we have a small combine, and it halfway goes under it. See, there goes rubs, goes across. Yeah. Okay, we are going to go catch another load. Starting to get dark. It is, what time is it? It is 6:45. Dylan's hanging out back up there for a minute, so it's just me, and I see Alex down here. Yeah, there was the auger out. I think he is, I can't see it, it's starting to get dark. Go down here, catch 2 loads, fill the dump truck up, and don't know how long we'll run tonight. We're running to Graham Inn. We'll see how long it feels like running. I'm trying to get this field opened up good so we got a good place to start in the morning. That's the goal right now.
and then we can put 3 good days running on this field. We can have it knocked out, hopefully. I think 3 days we can do it. But we'll see. Yeah, he's down there waiting on me. Got somebody else running on a radio channel too. That is not Alex. I changed channels. Maybe they don't know this is our channel. I tell them that. Still trying to get comfortable with grain cart. Grain cart's running good. Just trying to get comfortable with, it's like when I helped Mac Riggs last year. This is a bigger car, it takes some getting used to. Pull's better. Pull's good, I'll tell you that. So that's a good plus. Unloads pretty quick. Okay, let's go down here and find Alex. He's down there somewhere. Well, I see a dust cloud down there, so I think he's down there somewhere. There's some lights down there. I see way down there. Hope he cut me a spot wide enough to turn around. This thing takes every bit of 18 rows to turn around. I rub corn both ways. I see him move around in there, so maybe he's cutting me a good spot. I need a good spot to turn around so I get the heck out of here. I keep getting a glimpse of headlights right over top of this corn. Yeah, he's cut me a spot to turn around down there. I could probably run faster through here, but I don't want to, being I'm still figuring out the grain cart. A little drowned out spot right there, I'd say. A little drowned out spot.
Got you a spot, turn around now.
Thank you. I'm gonna sit still and let you go past me to make sure we don't bump each other. Yep, last thing I need to do is let him bump me.
Come on down.
And he is full, so we'll get down and turn around. Yeah, I gotta get a wide spot right. Oh, gotta turn wide. Oh, those new tires are hooking up. Turn good right there. No sliding.
Just still just a second so I can back up.
Okay, I'm sitting still.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit you.
You got 50 foot. Good.
Yeah, come catch it now.
Oh, filling the grain cart up at night there, folks. Hey, front tires hooked up real good and turned. They ain't slide or nothing.
Well, that's good. Well, that one got ordered something off Amazon. It's real small. Might have been a card or something out there.
I don't know, can you guys see me? Ooh, you can't see me. Okay. Well, we will probably call it a night right there. We'll turn the camera off here a minute. Catch up with you guys in the morning.
The guy coming like it's a 12:10.
Probably pretty good since he ain't had one before. You know, one's better than nothing.
I hope he cleaned that gearbox out like I told him to.
I do too, because if he didn't, he don't have trouble.
Alright, you roll on out. I'm gonna go on down to the levee ditch now.
10-4. So here's the plan. We are going to fill the dump truck up 2 more times. Put 1 load in the grain bin, leave 1 tomorrow to haul up to town in the morning, and we'll call it a night. With that being said, we will catch up with you guys in the morning. Sometime. Hopefully it'll be a good day tomorrow. I'm gonna take a half day. It's Friday. Don should be here tomorrow, and Alex will be here, so we'll have 3 of us running. And I think we got a couple more guys come help on this Saturday. So we are going to try to get some stuff knocked out. Welcome back to Bit 10, y'all. We are dumping a hot load this morning. Look at her to go. First load of the day. We got the grain cart sitting here. We got the old heavy Chevy. And a little red and the mini semi's gone. So we are running solo right now, but we got full crew.
Got me and Jesse, Big Don, my dad, and we got my father-in-law Jerry. He's helping today. So we are gonna try to get some corn done. Gonna try. That's the goal. Try. We have already got word from the granary, from our local granary, that they will be closing about 3:30-ish today. Today is a Saturday. You know, that's fine. I think they had a note. They had a note up on the door. They had a note up on their bulletin, I believe Thursday. So everybody's had plenty of notice. What they're doing, they are trying to get corn shuffled around. I do believe they're filling their big bunker. So they're making room for their stuff. We are cutting on this farm. And if once 3 comes and goes, we still got room in the bins, so we'll start running to the bin. If we get to 1 bin filled up, which I know we'll fill one up off this field, we probably need to get half this field done. What we'll do, we'll go about 2 miles north of here and cut on a different farm. So we'll run up the road from here. They'll cut on a different farm that we got that has a bin on it that we have rented this year. So we can shell that corn tomorrow on Sunday and just put it straight in the bin. We got our game plan worked out and we are hammering on it. So we got all here, we gotta go plumb over, back way over there to that old W ditch. We're running on there. So usually I'm running about 4.8, 5 mile an hour. This year the corn's doing good enough. I'm doing about, let's see what we said, 4.4. And I'm running about, 4 mile an hour to 4.4 mile an hour. That's just cause we're cutting real good corn this year. So far, the corn has been really good, and we hope the numbers continue like that. Man, I gotta do something. My hair, look at this. Get thin as a wisp. It happens. I had a good run with solid head of hair. I can still grow a good mustache though. Achoo. Got them golden nuggets just raining in the back there. Look at little nuggets of gold. The old 9500, she's running like a boss. She is old, but she runs good. And she ain't as old as some combines other folks run. But farming ain't about how new your equipment is. It's about doing a good job. And if you can do a good job with old stuff, that's great. If you gotta have new stuff, that's great too, man. Do whatever you want to do. Live your life like you want to live it. Keep on keeping on. All that good stuff. Life's a garden, you dig it.
Life's a garden, dig it. You make it work for you.
All right, if y'all notice, I got open right through here, corn rows from here back to the trees, cut, and more corn. And then my left-hand side, the left-hand side of the combine is toward this cut spot, that's the auger side. So this is one thing I've kind of liked from watching YouTube farming, or social media farming, whatever you want to call it. Little tips like this. This here is a Joyce Brothers, Dylan and Robert Joyce Brothers pro tip from them. So you cut this little square out. So you cut this square out. You just kind of you go up and then back down and make a little circle right through here. That way your auger is always over here in this open spot, and maybe you can hit the cart. Well, the cart's always running back and forth right there, but right now it's not because, everybody's driving trucks. That's a tip from those Joyce Brothers. It's a great tip. Saturday.
We got Alex and father-in-law Jerry here driving a semi, I got Don here driving a dump truck, and me running a grain cart, and I got Alex running a combine. Full crew. Granary's open until 3 tonight. There's Alex coming back through right there. Fingers crossed will be a lot done. It's almost 12 o'clock. I think, yeah, it's like almost 12. I gotta run around the corner here and catch it. And the dump truck's full, everybody's gone. Right now we got just fill up red dump truck, gone the white one, Gary's gone in the semi. So we'll fill this thing up, I'll hold 3 lot dumps, just gonna fill the semi up. And they'll be ready to fill the semi up when they get back. So far, it's not they're making pretty quick turns in the trainer today. See when we get knocked out. Maybe a lot today. Good day today. It's gonna be a good day. You can see Jesse coming right through there. He's orange sign coming down 6 roads. I went to that end, I spun around, I'm coming back cutting 6. Well, with the bigger cart, it's a little bit tight fit, so I backed up and scooted over 6. That way we got room to dump into the buggy. He'll just I just ease up underneath me going the way you're going. So he's gonna ease underneath me. We're gonna dump, I'm gonna go down here, I'm gonna come back, and there'll be a bigger spot he can turn around at then. And that's gonna be the plan. Will it work out? We'll find out in a minute. That's good. I just sit right there. When I come back by, it should be a big enough spot that you can turn around at.
Okay.
Oh, quick review of the Kill Brothers cart. It's doing great. It's doing great. It's only, so the old 1210 hold 400 bushels. This will hold 6, so just 200 bushels bigger. But the main thing is it has the auger shut off, which, well, you can't see from inside, but it's got a sleeve that'll slide down in the bottom down there and cover. And covers the pit, that way you can actually empty out your auger. So we don't have to worry about overfilling trucks anymore. Yeah. It's working out good. Get this thing emptied. And then we're gonna run, just to hope if I can the head back on. We're gonna run down these. Shut the auger, and we are rolling. Running good so far, knock on wood. I get in it. It's going pretty good. Alex up here running, trying to chase him down. And really not a lot going on today, which is good. I like having a slow day today. It's busy. A slow day is not many major breakdowns. Minor breakdown. Keep on running here. And so many acres we're getting knocked out today. About, I don't know what time it is. I think it's actually close to 12. I think it's 11 more ago. I think close to 12 now. Maybe a little after 12. And it's making pretty good corn. yield is on it yet. I think we're over 200 on last field. I'm not sure exactly where we were. Test weight around 58. This stuff right here looks like it's yielding pretty good. Test weight on it is like 61. It's a little different variety from one. Same farm, just different varieties still here. So you'd have a better test weight on it. So we're averaging 61 on it. And yield looks like it's good too. Pretty good. Just heavy corn having a good test weight on it. Down the road to the grain bin. Running a little slower now because we've got to drive so far back in the field. It's a long drive back. We are probably, I think it's an 80-acre field. This is an 80-acre. That's an 80-acre field, and we probably cut 50 of it, I would say. So it's just a long drive back across through here to get to everything. As you can see, Alex is way over there. You make him out. Letting Dylan drive a little bit back and forth, and then I'm taking over before we get closer. And looks like we can hold about maybe 3,000-4,000 bushels of it, and then we'll be done for tonight. We'll have to move somewhere else tomorrow. But we got a place we move to. So everything keeps running up. All right, folks, we're back at it. It's dark. I mean, I flipped the light on here, but it's dark outside. Like what you see, subscribe, drop a comment, thumbs up that video, whatnot. And like always, the good Lord's will, catch you on the flip side. Till the next.